Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy birthday, Phil. Yes, it's his birthday today. This is what we woke up to. The first sunrise out of 3 nights or 2 nights. This is insane. Time didn't fly away. Our food is all still here. This is our breakfast for today. Cup noodles, bagels, cream cheese, and tuna. We're gonna eat, then pack up, then we're gonna make our way down to Nevada. Okay, we're all packed up. Cars are warming up. We're getting ready to go to Lake Alvord through Nevada. So that's gonna be quite a road trip. I think Matthew said 3 hours. So yeah, let's see what that has to offer. Nevada, we decided to drive to Alvord Desert for a bit. We didn't want to go too far. We're literally like 100 feet in, just because it's like a little bit wet, so we didn't want to sink in. But this is sick. This is what it looks like. Alvord Desert, baby. You can see just how windy it is. The drone is like so unstable. Alright, we made it to Nevada. Oh, we made it to Oregon. Oh, we made it to Nevada. Whoa! It's the first little town in Idaho called Denio, something like that. Gas is $5.53 gallon for regular, and diesel is $5.68. Airing up right now because we're back on pavement, and then we're gonna keep going. Some of the roads in Nevada, very pretty, I guess. We're only here for, well, like less than 100 miles. It's just pretty much back road to overpass some of the mountains because they got over 2 feet of snow, so we didn't want to risk it, and we kind of just took a detour through Nevada, and then we're gonna be back in Oregon in I think like 50 miles or something like that. Another glimpse of Nevada. This is going into the overpass already. Climbed a little hill. The freeway is right there. A little higher up on this trail. Pretty nice view. Just a big open valley. Pretty much just got back into Oregon. We are roughly 6,000 feet above sea level, and this is what it's looking like. Finally found some snow in the same area. This is how we're cleaning our cars. Our windshields, so we can finally see something. Because no gas stations have washers or anything like that. It's nasty. It's nasty. After a couple pit stops, a couple more hours of driving, well, like half an hour of driving. We are at Alvord Lake, and man, just look at this. It is way bigger than I thought. It looks small on maps, but this is very big. Driving to Christmas Valley, you just gotta open the cattle gates, go through it, and close it again so cattle doesn't get out. But these gates are all open to public use as long as they don't have a lock on it. Probably, I think. That's like one website said that, so we trust that website. Okay, so I lied, it wasn't Christmas Valley. We made another pit stop. It was this place that we're going to, A6 and B38 plane crash site. This road used to be open, as you can see, like there's tracks up there, but they built this barrier. Now we're debating either finding another trail or hiking up it. There's like about another 1.5 miles, but we're gonna have to camp out in this area tonight. Camp out somewhere here, and then tomorrow we'll go to Christmas Valley and check out what's there. But for today, we're gonna go check out this spot. So, change of plans, we went up that little hill. It's too scary to go up there, too far of a walk. So we cooking food for the night. We got a bunch of burgers left, burger patties left. So we're gonna cook some burgers, get warm at the fire. And then tomorrow morning, we plan to go up and check out the plane crash site. Burger! 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 Yeah, burger!